Okay, children, let us move forward. So now, what his father said, Sir Ector said sternly that now it is your turn, Arthur. So what Arthur did, Arthur gripped the handle of the sword. He gripped, okay, means he held the handle of the sword, and uh, and he drew the sword out. Okay, he held the handle of the sword and drew it, dragged it out gently but firmly. Okay, in a gentle way, he means he drew the sword out, but firmly. Firmly means in a secure way with strength, means without causing any means in a we can say firmly means in a secure way with strength, with applying his full strength. He drew the sword out in a secure way. Okay, okay, children. Okay, Sir Ector made him repeat the action again and again. So his father, he made this action of drawing out the sword again and again from his son. Each time Arthur gripped the handle, okay, he held the handle and drew the sword out without any hesitation. Hesitation means to without any delay due to uncertainty. Okay, without any delay, without any problem, without any hesitation, he drew the sword out. Okay, children. Sir Ector was overwhelmed. Ector was overwhelmed. Overwhelmed means children to means to we can say overcome with emotion. Okay, he was overwhelmed. He was overcoming with his emotion. Okay, so he was overwhelmed. Okay, he fell on his knees before his son, young son. Okay, he was overwhelmed. He was means we can overcome his overcoming with his emotion. He fell on his knees. He fell on his knees. He was sitting on his knees before his young son, who held the mighty sword in his hand. Who held the mighty sword in his hand and bowed his head in deep devotion. Okay, wordlessly, K followed his example. Sir K was overwhelmed. He fell on his knees before his young son, who was holding the mighty sword in his hand, and he bowed his head in deep devotion. He was showing his devotion in front of his son. Wordlessly, without saying a single word, K followed his example. Whatever his father did, K also followed. Arthur jumped back in surprise. Arthur jumped back in surprise. What is happening? My father, my elder brother, both are bowing in front of me. Okay, they are means falling on their. They fell on their knees before me. Okay, what is happening? Father, why do you kneel before me? Am I not your son? Arthur jumped back in surprise. Father, why do you kneel before me? Am I not your son? Okay, he asked. Let us move forward. Children, I got this image. See, here you can see Arthur holding the mighty sword, and Sir Kay and Sir Ector, they are kneeling before him. Okay, they are kneeling before him. They are on their knees. Have you seen? Yes. Now this is the picture which is given in your textbook on page number 101. Okay, you can see that marble. On that marble, anvil is kept. On anvil, you can see the sword. Okay, you can see the this person. Who is this person? Arthur. He is holding the sword. Okay, children, let us move forward. That is what I had thought until now, Sir K replied. That is what I had thought until now, Sir K replied. But now I know better. I know whose son you are. Okay, you are the son of the good king Uther, then Pendragon. Okay, you are the good king of son. Sorry, you are the son of the good king Uther Pendragon, and I bow to you as you are the king of Britain now. So what Sir K replied, that is what I thought until now. Okay, what he thought, that I am not your son. Okay, so this Arthur said, "Na, I am not your son." He was asking to his father, "Am I not your son?" So Sir K replied, "That is what I thought until now, but now I know better. I know whose son you are. You are the son of the good king Uther Pendragon, and I bow to you as you are the king of Britain now. Okay, how could that be? Okay, how could that be? You and I know that I was an orphan boy entrusted to your care. Okay, so, how could that be? You and I know that I was an orphan boy entrusted to your care. Entrusted means children handed over. Okay, I was an orphan child, means my parents died, and that's why I was handed over to you for my care. Silently, Sir Hector pointed to the inscription on the stone. Okay, inscription means children, we can say the words which are cut in stone. Okay, words which are stone. If you want to write something on the stone, we need to cut it down, na children? So the inscription means words which are cut on the stone. So silently Sir Hector pointed to the inscription on the stone, which Arthur, let us move forward, come to next page, page number 102. Okay, so what happened? Let us see what happened. Wait. Okay, silently Sir Hector pointed to the inscription on the stone, which Arthur had not seen until now. Okay, what was inscripted, children? Whoso pulleth out this word is by right of birth King of England. Okay, so this was this was the inscription. Okay, that is words cut in stone. What? Whoso pulleth out this word is by right of birth King of England. Okay, children, now we'll stop here. The remaining part of the lesson we will see in the next video. Okay.